In case you're looking for a sign to get back on your healthy hair journey, this is it. This is the sign you've been waiting for. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nana Tristan once again. If you're new to my channel, you don't know who I am. Hi, hello, I'm Nana of the Nana Tristan, and I really do hope you join my lovely family over here in my little corner of the internet. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I know that some of you have sent me DMs about how difficult it is to be consistent on your healthy hair journey, and trust me, I know, because I am that way sometimes. I fall off as well. Okay, you might think that, oh, because of I have a hair channel and because I'm such a huge advocate for growing healthy relaxed hair, it means that I'm doing all the steps all the time. No, I'm not. It's hard to stick to a schedule. It's hard to remember to take time out, take care of your hair. It's hard. And for some of you, you have kids or you have partners or you just have very busy lives, and sometimes you're just not in the mood. That is okay too. Like, you don't have to do everything every time. But next thing you know, you've forgotten what you were even supposed to do on what day, and everything is all over the place. I got you. So this video is going to be a very simplified way of making sure that you have a healthy hair journey that you can stick to. You know, one that you can easily follow, one that will be easy for you to remember, simple step, and you can do it from anywhere. All you need is your phone. Now let's get into it. The very first thing that you're going to do, like I said, is having a calendar. I'm going to be using Google Calendars. So you're going to go into your calendar app, which you're going to be seeing on the side of the screen. You're going to click a date. So for example, I'm going to start with a basic function, which is moisturizing and sealing. With moisturizing and sealing, I know how hard it can be to remember to moisturize and seal. Trust me, I have been there, so I know exactly how you feel. So I'm going to enter an event, okay? And I'm going to enter in a time when I want to have this event. So personally, because of how my work schedule is, I end up getting home pretty late. So most of the time when it comes to my hair, I like to put my hair stuff sometime after 9, right before I go to bed, so that it's one of my last things I do to prep to get to bed, so that at least I can remember to do it. So after I'm done taking a shower, I can attend to moisturizing and sealing my hair. Okay, so you're going to enter the time. So let's say if I'm doing 9 p.m. to 9:10, it's just 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to enter moisturize and seal, and sometimes I even go as far as to enter the product I'm going to be using to seal. In this case, I'm going to be using my DIY hair growth oil to seal. If I'm trying a different product, I'm going to enter the name of the product and everything. This also makes it very easy to track back my progress to see, okay, during this time this was the product I was using and this is how my hair reacted, and so I know not to use this again, or I know to use this again, however it's gonna go for me. Okay, let's move on to the next thing, which is oiling your scalp. Time to oil my scalp. I enter it again another 10 minutes, so I use about 5 minutes to actually put the oil on my scalp, and I use the rest of the 5 minutes to massage my scalp. So I get both oiling my scalp and massaging my scalp as a 2-in-1. I get the job done. I put my bonnet or my scarf on, and then I hop into bed. It's one of the last things I do if I get to bed, and it makes everything much easier, believe me. Okay, so in my camera function, one thing I do is that I like to repeat the activity. So if I know that I'm going to be moisturizing and sealing every other day, I'm going to enter it. So if I do it today, it's going to skip to every other day. Together. So I'm going to select maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday in the calendar. So automatically it's going to populate that data, and I don't have to go and enter it for every single day. When it comes to the oiling my scalp, it's the same thing. So if I'm moisturizing and sealing my hair today, the next alternating days is going to be for the oiling and massaging my scalp. So automatically it's going to be populated in my calendar. I usually like to do my wash days either on Saturdays or Sundays, which most of the time, more often than not, my wash day is a Saturday. And since I know that it's going to be repeating, I'm going to do the same thing. Give myself a time limit that from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. I'm going to go to the salon, get my hair done. So from 11 to 3, that includes everything. So I'm pre-pooing, shampooing, conditioning, sitting the dryer. So I sit in the dryer for like almost 2 hours when I have relax sets on. Yeah, so I have to actively, put it in my mind to make time for that in my calendar. And because even when I have braids on, I still wash my hair. Yes, I still try and wash my hair once a week or sometimes once every 2 weeks. But once it's in the calendar, I'm going to get a reminder and I'm going to remember to do it. And it makes my life very, 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 very easy. So this is how you can plan your hair journey, and you can repeat it subsequent months. And you can also enter in your relaxer day, however long you stretch for. You can enter it in there. If you want to enter like a protective styling day, you can also enter it there. This is just like a basic format for you to be able to plan your hair journey at your fingertips. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give me a very big thumbs up. Let me know how you plan your hair journey down in the comment section below, because who knows, it might also be beneficial to somebody else on their healthy hair journey. Let me know how far along you are in the relaxer stretch. I think I'm currently 12 weeks post relaxer. I'm currently 12 weeks post relaxer, and I'm in braids. Let me know how long your stretch is and how far along you are, and let me know if you're natural, you relax, your dreadlocks, whatever your hair is. Comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. As always, in the name of justice, thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next one. Before you go, be sure to click on this video where I talk about types of conditioners and how beneficial they are to your hair, and which conditioners to use for your hair. I'll see you next time. While you're here, we really would like it if you subscribe, enjoy the family, like this video if you like anything about it, whether you like my makeup, you like my hair, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below